Hello, it's Mike Dyson with MarineMax Sailandski in San Antonio. Going to take a good look at a 2020 Harris Cruiser 230. Just arrived. This is a very popular floor plan. It's what they call the center walkthrough. Obvious reason there. Just walk all the way to the front to the back. But it's got dual Helm seats. Feedback is that people love the ability for two people to ride down the water in comfortable bucket seats. People really like the open floor plan. Easy to move around this boat. Plenty of lounging room, entertaining room up front. And you have another horseshoe shaped kind of seating area here in the back. So just a great entertainer all the way around. Speaking of the back of the boat, we've got the larger swim platform, which is optional. Upgraded the ladder. Powered with a Mercury 154 stroke. Maintenance-free valve train. Exceptional performance. Very good fuel economy. C-Star steering makes handling the boat quite easy. We've upgraded both of the seats to the hiback Ultralux Helm Seats. Got an optional Lowrance Fishfinder, depth finder combo. It's going to give you a contour of the bottom, water temperature, even a Fishfinder application. Nice storage area under the console here. Plenty of cup holders. We get a lot of compliments on the fact that Harris recesses these cup holders out of the way. A lot of our competition doesn't even have cup holders, or if they do, they take up seating space. People really appreciate having cup holders at hand, and they're not intrusive into the seating area. Great boat for entertaining, powerful enough for water sports. Great way to spend the day on the water. If I can answer any question about this Harris pontoon, or any of the Harris pontoons that we have, there's a lot of choices, so I'm here to help you work through and find the one that best suits your needs. You can call me direct. My cell phone number is 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.
Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.